Lovelies, welcome back. Today video is all about unboxing. So first I'm going to unbox the things which I have bought from Sarah Secrets. It's an Instagram page, so you can buy the things from their page. You only have to choose the product which are shown on their page. And also on Black Friday they were offering a very great offer. They were saying that I can choose anything from Shein, Dubai. So whichever thing I have choose, I will also show that thing to you as well. But whichever thing I will choose, they are going to bring that thing in Pakistan, and they're going to deliver. Isn't it an amazing offer? So you can do this with their page. So definitely go check out their page and choose the things which you want to buy. So this is my box. So now I'm going to unbox this box. Actually, I don't find time by the end of December because I was busy in functions. So here I am opening this bag now. So there are two boxes, so I'm carefully separating it. First, I'm going to open this shoe box. I have placed my order by the end of November, and I have received my products by the end of December. So it took almost 1 month. So they took almost 1 month to deliver their products. So here are the shoes. Isn't it amazing? You can see it has a chunky sole. It has a chunky sole, it's quite big and nice, and you can see the detail of laces, and it has a buckle as well. It looks quite nice. So I was looking for this shoes for a very long time, and finally I get this shoes, and I have get these shoes in approximately 3,800. Shoes are so much in trend nowadays, and the chunky heels as well. So you can see you can tie this buckle from here, and on other side it has a zip. So it's quite nice, and I'm just so excited for these shoes from a very long time. Now let's open second box from Sarah Secret. Here is my other box. And I have also asked them, do they have any ear muffs? So they have also shown me few pictures. So these ear muffs are also very nice. Also looking for these ear muffs from very long time. And look at this. This is a Bugs Bunny or rabbit ear muffs. That's how it's look. It's for, I think, 1200 rupees or 1600 rupees. I have ordered this furry hoodie from them. It's in grey color, and you can see I ordered this in medium size. So here it looks like, and you can see it has also bunny like cap over here. So it looks quite stylish and funky. Thing which I choose from Shein Dubai is this plaid frock. I really like this, and it's also in very reasonable price. This is a frock, you can wear it with the high necks and sweater. Things which I have ordered is from Almas. I have ordered this sleeveless jacket. It's a puffer jacket, and I'm also looking for a black puffer jacket for a very long time. So let's check out. Oh, it looks quite nice. So let's open this quickly. I ordered this in medium size because you have to wear sweatshirts and other things, woolen sweatshirts. So you have to keep this in mind that you ordered that in one size up. So that's it's look like it has a quite nice pattern, and it also contain a detachable cap over here, so that's also a bonus point. Yeah, I'm wearing this and it look quite nice with mustard top as well. So if you don't want its cap, you can remove it, but I want this, so I'm not removing it right now. Its pockets are also quite big. You can see from here. You can easily put your hands inside if it's cold outside. And I would like to show you my order. It's from, by the way, actually they have a sale on everything. So I have ordered 2 sweatpants from them. So let's check out the quality of sweatpants. It's in navy blue color. It's of navy blue color. It's a plain trouser, and that's how it's look from the bottom. Quite stretchy and elastic, and from the top it's quite adjustable and quite warm. It is made up of quite thick material, so it's quite good to wear at home, and you can also wear it outing as well. I've shown these stuff in my loungewear guide. More sweatpant from them. It's in grey color, and it says side panel as well. Side stripes or panels, whatever you call it. So you can see it's elastic from bottom as well. What it does, it help you to keep warm, and in winter you will not feel cold because air don't come from your foot. This panel, white panel from side, single stripes from the sides also look nice, and it also has a adjustable elastic rope. You can call it elastic rope. So I've ordered these in medium size. You can order that by looking your size chart, and you can also wear it formally but using a formal top. Box all my stuff which I've ordered this year and previous year as well. So hope you have enjoyed this unboxing, and if you want to buy this, I will put down their links below in my description. Hope you have enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscription. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.